Okay, survey time. I really want those Y2K eyebrows, the really thin ones from my childhood. Is it a bad idea? Am I gonna regret it? Or is it really cool? I'm gonna rock it. What you think? Hey guys, you're here again with me, Bea B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're already a subscriber here, welcome back. Let me give you a virtual hug. But if you are not, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And you really wouldn't want to because it is super suspenseful here. Actually, it's not because the title is already there, so you kind of know what I'm opening. Yes, my dear friends, I have finally purchased one of my holy grail bags from Hermes, and I chose today to unbox it with all of you. Well, technically there's no box, so this is an dust bagging experience. That sounds so weird, doesn't it? And in all fairness, I did leave a little bit of a mystery from the title anyway. You guys don't know the color, you don't know the size, you don't know my life. But yeah, alright, so I basically want both a Birkin and a Kelly in my life, and I think I was able to really weigh these two things, kind of like the eyebrow thing. I think there are certain aspects of the Kelly that really appeal to me more, especially since I'm like a tita now and I really appreciate a good strap. I decided to really go through all of the secondhand stores, the online stores, the personal shoppers, all of that in order to really find a great deal, because as you know, with Birkins and Kellys from Hermes, it is secondhand. It doesn't matter. It is probably even more expensive than the brand new bag at the store. And so they resale for like an enormous doubling or tripling of the price, and that is why it's really difficult to get your dream bag at a steal price. This isn't exactly a steal, but it's good enough for me. Let's get to it then. Let's begin with our dust bag. I think it really is old because it's a little bit on the fuzzy side already. Because there is no box, it's gonna be a pretty straightforward experience with these ribbons. That's it. Let's see what color. Are you even slightly surprised that I got a black one? I'm sure you are not. For now, let's continue the unboxing because the seller put the other inclusions inside the bag. Ooh. So inside we have, this is a little plastic. We've got our rain protection raincoat. So you guys know that you can carry around your bags and have the raincoat inside just in case it rains so that your bag doesn't get wet. And then with it in the plastic, we have this little envelope with the Hermes embossed. So this is a little bit of a description of the Hermes leather and how to take care of it. We do have some little dust bags inside as well. So we have 3 in total. We have our Papa Bear, we have our Mama Bear, and we have our Baby Bear. Let's begin with the baby because it's so adorable. We have our lock and our key. We have our keys inside this key clochette. Is that how you say it? Strap na malagkit. Let's check out Mama Bear. Our shoulder strap, guys. So like I said, this was the selling point, the ultimate selling point, because I do love a crossbody. The fact that you can put this on your shoulder and go hands-free. So if you can see, the hardware doesn't really have scratches or anything. It's still very clean, but I would say there is some discoloration. But I mean, obviously that's when you look really closely. It still works really excellent. That's a very nice spring to it. Even the other side for some reason has these sticker protection things, but I'm not sure if she just put it back. All the sides look amazing here. The leather, I got a Togo leather, by the way. This is black Togo, and despite this being a shoulder strap, you don't see any rubbing or anything like that. See, even the logo inside, it is still so clear and silver. I love it. And now that we've nitpicked the little inclusions, let's talk about the bag itself. So let me just check my entropy certificate. I did buy this from a reseller, and it's so important that you make sure that when you buy from somebody that it is real. So and according to this, we have our date code square J, which means it was made or sold in 2006. Is it made or sold? So 22 minus 6, this bag is actually 16 years old, and obviously in true Hermes fashion, it looks so beautiful. When I purchased this, the seller did say it was in 9/10 condition, and I would pretty much agree so far from looking at the strap. But let us look at the bag itself. This is a Togo leather, and as you can see with the grains, it is very hard to see if there is any damage. I would say that there is a little bit of a lightened area here, but actually when you see it in person, you don't even notice anything. But here on cam, it looks a little white. It also has on cam another one over here, like a little white dot. Yeah, but I'm not going to retouch or recolor that black because, you know, with these bags, that is kind of a no-no. It's like desecrating the bag or something. Aside from the type of discoloration, if you check out the corners, it actually looks pretty darn amazing. They do have signs of wear for sure. I mean, I kind of expected that. I'm just checking right now if there is any kind of scuff. I would say that maybe there is, like over here, just one little bit of scuff. Like it's slightly white. I'm gonna try to go over that with my leather conditioner. And the good thing about the color black is that it's so easy to hide all of these imperfections. The back looks good. I love how the veins and the grains don't disappear no matter how many years has passed with this Togo leather. I understand now why people love it so much. So over here is where you attach your strap. The handles are also in excellent condition. I'm gonna say it looks really gorgeous. It doesn't feel sticky. It looks really good. If you look at the hardware up here in front, the locks, they aren't really scratched or anything. It looks very clean. So usually you'd find some hairline scratches on these, but these are very clean. Even up here, it's a lot of finger marks. So I hope you forgive me. I'm trying to clean it as much as I can for this video, but it does look good. Take my word for it, I'm quite happy. And inside looks good as well. This is where you're gonna find the little logo on top of our lock. When we go inside, there is once again a little bit of, you know, white stuff over here, but the inside of the bag does look pretty amazing. It looks very clean, but like I said, it's black, so I can't really tell for sure. There is an inner pocket, which is pretty deep. You can put a cell phone in there, definitely. We also have some side pockets over here without the zipper. Yeah, a lot of compartments. So this is actually a 32. This is kind of on the bigger side of Kelly's. I would say that maybe I would feel more stylish in a 25 or a 28, but I think the 32 is just so classic. It was actually my very first time to really inspect this bag, so thank you guys for going along with it with me. I am very happy with my purchase. I think it was worth the price. So I'm gonna put on the Strappy-Doo. That reminds me of like Scooby-Doo. So check it, I am 5'6" for reference, or 5'5". I'm not the tallest person in the world, but I'm also not the shortest. It does fall where I would like it to fall, very comfortably on my hip area. Some people would prefer to use it this way, like on the crook of their arm, because it is very crook of arm friendly. The strap really has a lot of space to it. It is not the flimsiest as well, so it is quite sturdy, quite solid, but I am a crossbody girl, so we have to try it out as well. A little bit awkward as a crossbody bag, but I do love that there is an option. The strap goes pretty high up. It is like hitting my boob. You do have the option of getting a longer strap if you would like that. I think I might, but if you guys are shorter than me, maybe that would work for you. Maybe that look would be better on you. I honestly can't wait to start wearing this out. I'm gonna be doing some OOTDs very soon for sure. I'm gonna give this right now like a 9/10 rating. You know, for the overall experience, overall look of the bag, it is a 9/10 because it is slightly bigger than what I expected, but it's still, you know, kinda within the range of what I'm okay with. You know what I mean? I think if this bag was slightly smaller, it would be a total 10. So I think maybe a 28 would be a 10. But for now, this is what I was able to afford. This was within my budget, you see, and I think for the condition and the age, it is still superb. So yeah, those are my thoughts on it originally. I don't know what you guys feel. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Did I make the right decision by getting this one, or should I have waited to get like a 28 and a 25 instead? I don't know. Or maybe should it be a Birkin next? I'll see you guys again next time. Peace and love. Bye.